Hi Nancy, it's Allison Swanson, your McGraw-Hill representative, and I am going to show you quickly how we can get some primary sources that you would like to use for your Western Civ class coming up this fall. So what I'm going to do is I will actually build your whole book inside of Create, but I want you to actually go ahead and pick out which ones that you want. And this is the best way to peruse our content, and then we can actually go and build it in for you. But this is the system that we actually build books in and piece things together. It's really cool. So everything in here is anything McGraw-Hill owns, from our history titles to primary sources to articles and just tons of good stuff. You can find full books in here too. So like if I just, searched for that Traditions and Encounters book, it would pop up in here too. This works just like a Google search bar right here. So if there's specific content that you're looking for and you like the name of this certain one, you can search this way. Or there's another way for you to go. So once you log in, which I'll give you your login credentials to get into Create, you're going to see this exact page. I'm in as you right now. But what I'd like to show you how to do is actually go to Collections up here in the right corner. And here, these are collections of articles, readings, primary sources, things that would be specifically interesting, I imagine, for this course. So if you go in, we have American history documents, we have traditions, humanities readings, we also have these many Europe's primary sources collections, we also have taking sides, and then we have annual editions collections. So for your sources, I imagine you'd probably want to look through, you'd probably want to start, this is Western Civ, it's not totally World Civ, but there are other primary sources in here. This would be a good place to start if you want to take a look through there, or if you wanted to go into, let's just say, let's go to annual editions, because maybe they're in there, or taking sides. Well, let's look through this one. We'll browse this collection. You can go by period of time, and it'll tell you kind of which time period you can pull some things from. And then you click go. And then it'll have all of these kind of primary sources, readings, that sort of thing in here too. So like here's John Calvin. So take a look through here. There may be some really good things in here that you'd like. And if there's anything specific that you're looking for that you can't find, exit the collection, and then maybe just do the actual search of the title right here. I don't know, I'm just searching Cortez. So there's, just tons of different things that would pop up here too you can take a look at. Also, you can pull chapters from books, whatever that looks like. So if there's content in there that you want to use, we can use that too. But if there's specific things that you can't find that that you want, let me know and we'll take a look for you as well. And then we'll try to get the price of that bundle down for you pretty well. So yeah, that's how I'm going to do that. But yeah, my best bet, I'd say, is you can either search kind of like through this Google-ish search bar here, or you can go to the collections and kind of browse through the history ones under humanities and social sciences. Okay. I hope that helps you. If you need more help, let me know, but this is the best way to take a look. And I wanted to make sure I got this to you because today's Thursday and that's when you asked for it. So yeah, I will give you your login credentials in the message below the actual link to this video. And that way you can get in. All right, thanks for taking a look, and I hope that you have met up with Kelly too to talk a little bit more about SmartBook. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.